Hello again. I was finally able to get back into my screen recorder device that I use. So I wanted to get on here and have a better step by step on how to um, go and purchase your Amp It Up perks if you earn those. So remember again, the basic thing about the Amp It Up program is it's running until the end of the year, and pretty much if you submit just $100, the next month you get to claim a one item at 60% off. So it's a pretty good program that we are running right now. TOT is definitely going to be your best friend. It's got all of the information as to, the more you sell, obviously, the more money you'll earn, wishes, rewards, and obviously it kind of touches on our 40% marketplace discount that we always get no matter what. And then it kind of goes into the specifics here about what the All My Perks program is. And it goes over, who these perks are for, when are they available. Let me see. So it goes over, this is a really good tool. 31 Today is just obviously a great tool in general to help you learn more about the business, learn more about ways to party, all that good stuff. I go on to TOT every day to check on things, read up on new incentives that they're running, and all that good stuff. So this is a calendar right here about the Amp It Up rewards, which actually I'm going to save that and I will post that in a little bit because this is a really good representation of how it works. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. Look at that. So this chart right here is a really good representation or a layout of how the Amp It Up program works. So, going back to May. So in May, if you submitted $100 in May and you have the whole month to submit just $100 in orders, you redeem your perk between June 15th and the 30th. So June, I know we had a ton of people in June, which is awesome, that submitted at least $100 in June, and then they are able to claim their perks, from July 15th through the 31st. Same goes for July, which we have some ladies that have already submitted 100, which is awesome. You guys still have plenty of time to submit just $100 in orders, and then you will be able to claim those between August 15th and the 31st. So when we don't know, sorry, someone's texting me 1 second. It's about my house. Sorry, we are renting our house out and we have someone that is coming to look at it. Sorry, squirrel moment there. So here we are right here. So we're in the month of July. Everybody that's sold $100 in orders so far, they get to redeem that perk, from August 15th through the 31st. And we don't know what that perk is yet, but we will know that more than likely at the end of July. We'll be able to know what that is. So let me go ahead and back it up out of here. And then I don't know if you guys saw this one too. If you submit $1,000 in orders for May, June, and July, you can get three fall Hostess exclusives for free. So that's pretty awesome. And that's the goal I've shot for every month for the past 3 months, is to hit 1,000 in orders, because like I said, for all of my parties, I have, what the monthly special is, and I have all of the Hostess exclusives on hand so that I can show those off, in all of my different events that I have going on. So like I said, this is a really good area to look into to see, any questions you have. We have an FAQ section right here. There's words to say about that's for me, but you don't need to worry about that. This goes over resources about, I've got girls, back to this, words to say. I've got some girls that have some other, that have some reps on their team too. So this is a good resource to use as well. If you've got some ladies on your team, you know, if you want to reach out to them and just let them know, hey, this is what, you know, Amp It Up means. 31 really does a good job of providing us with a lot of scripts and resources that we can go through. And I am a huge advocate for just logging into TOT and just kind of messing around with it. I mean, you're not gonna hurt it at all if you test it out and kind of drive around for a minute. That's what I did when I first started. It's a little, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little intimidating when you first get in there, but it's definitely worth it. That's, to me, the best way to learn your TOT is to just literally go through it and kind of mess around with it. And yeah, so that's what that's what I did. So, but anyway, back to Amp It Up. I get off on tangents all the time. If you guys know me very well, how the heck do we claim and all my perks? You know, how do I claim it? I want to know how I can claim it. So you're gonna go here under your virtual office, and it's gonna take you to another portion of your website. Excuse me, I've got a little bit of a summer cold. Okay, so here we are in our back office area. We are going to simply go to orders. So you'll click that, and then you will hit new order. Select 31 Marketplace, because remember, this is where we are going to claim our Amp It Up rewards. And I will pull up the item that I ordered at 60% off, because they gave us that specific list, which is under TOT, Stand Tall bin. I got a Stand Tall bin in the stepping stones, and actually my price, I already claimed it for 20, but now it's back to the regular 40% off price. So, you know, I actually got it for $20, which is pretty awesome. So I got a Stand Tall bin, which you can see is originally 50. You know, I got it for $20. I mean, that's awesome. That is so cool. So I went in and I added it to my cart. It's just like placing an order, you know, that's pretty standard. So I wanted this to be my perk. I was like, I want to use my one perk for the Stand Tall bin. So I added it to my cart, and then I went here, and you're just going to check out like normal. And you're going to obviously put in your personal credit card information and all that stuff. So, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to submit this order because I already bought mine, and I don't want to grab another one until the August special, which I'm going to have another video about that here in a second. So you'll put in your information, or if you have a gift certificate on file, you can use that too as a payment method, and then you'll just submit the order, and then it'll be done. It'll be good. You'll be set. So that is a little quick synopsis as to, you know, what the Amp It Up program is, how long it's running for, how do you earn. I mean, like I said, all you have to do is submit just $100 in orders, you know, in 1 month, and then the next month you'll get to claim a reward. So it's pretty awesome. I really like this program that they've decided to run with, and I hope that they bring it back next season. It would be, or not next season, excuse me, they have it next season. I hope they bring it back next year. That's what I meant to say. So that is it for this one. I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube, and I will be sharing it to our team page. So make sure that you guys are always tuning into the team page, because there are a ton of resources that I share on there, you know, ideas and things like that, suggestions, team training. It's a really good resource to be a part of and to check into daily, because that is definitely going to be the place. I always try to upload things that are going to help you guys the most. That's going to be very beneficial for you and your business. So, and like I said, if you guys have any specific questions, because there's so much that we could talk about, but I really want you guys to come to me and tell me, hey, I want you to focus on this, or hey, can you make a video of this? You know, because I really do enjoy the videos. I feel like typing it all out is just kind of a bit much. I feel the videos, that I make, I feel like those are way more beneficial because I'm able to show you step by step how everything works. So if you guys, like I said, have any specific questions, feel free to let me know, and I will get to a video, or excuse me, I will get a video up to the team page as quickly as I can. I know I'm very slow at times, just busy, you know, like I'm sure all of you guys are. So I will touch base with you guys next about our big celebration event. So stay tuned.